I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making the UI container. This ensures your menu appears for each player. Open Roblox Studio and enter Play Solo so you can iterate live. In Explorer, create a screen GUI inside Starter GUI and name it Main Menu. Then add a frame as the menu panel and a text button labeled Menu Toggle. Make sure to set size and anchor properties to match different resolutions. This step gives you immediate visual feedback and a stable canvas to script interactions from. Next, implement the interactive behavior so the menu actually responds. Insert a local script under the text button because UI should run on the client. Reference game. Players. Local player, wait for child. Player GUI, to find the screen GUI. Connect the button's activated event to toggle the frame. Visible property, or better, use tween service. Create to animate size or position for a smooth slide. Once done, add handlers for each menu option that fire remote events to the server when necessary, and make sure to debounce inputs to avoid repeated triggers. Finally, finish by thoroughly testing and polishing so the menu feels reliable. Run play and start sessions to confirm client-side toggles and any remote events reach the server. Adjust anchors, size constraints, and z-index so the menu adapts across aspect ratios. Use UI aspect ratio constraint if needed. Once you're satisfied, move repetitive code into a module for reuse and save. If things go wrong, check the output for error messages and ensure the local script is inside Starter GUI or Player GUI, not server script service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.